Good morning, my name is Mizou and today I'm going to explain you how to use the Mizou chatbot. First, you can write down your name as a student and then start the session. By clicking the start sessions, you already get the link to the chatbot to communicate with the chatbot. This is an interactive activity. It's a learning tool designed to help grade 11 students analyze narrative structure using Todorov narrative theory. By integrating chatbot technology into the lesson, students can engage in guided discussion, receive real-time feedback, and clarify their understanding of the 5 narrative stages. Okay, the first, we can click the audio to listen to the chatbot.
Welcome, storytellers. My name is Betty, Miss Sulis' assistant. After you learn about Todorov's theory, let's dive into the world of narratives and create something amazing together. To begin, can you summarize Todorov's theory? Remember, it involves 5 stages: equilibrium, disruption, recognition, attempt to restore, and a new equilibrium. Once you do that, we can brainstorm ideas for your own story.
Okay, after that, you can adapt the question or you can click the audio to ask. So I'm just going to text the question. First, what is the first stage of the story in Frozen? This is an example of a question. Okay, the chatbot will respond it very quickly, just in a second. So here is the explanation. You can play the audio to listen.
In Frozen, the first stage of Todorov's theory, equilibrium, is represented by the kingdom of Arendelle before Elsa's powers are revealed. Everything seems peaceful, and the royal sisters, Elsa and Anna, share a loving bond. However, this tranquility is disrupted when Elsa accidentally reveals her ice powers at her coronation, setting off the events of the story. What ideas do you have for your own story's equilibrium? Where does your character start before the conflict arises?
Okay, and then after that you can go to the next question or answering from the instructions of the robot. Or you just can ask the robot about a question related to Todorov theory in analyzing Frozen movie. Okay, so that is the way how to do the quiz. Thank you very much.